The first thing that people, who wish to lose weight, think about is reducing their belly fat. It does not matter if you need to lose those extra 15 pounds or a whole lot more. And it is exactly where they all go wrong. This video will explain the biggest mistake of flat belly seekers, and how to avoid it, and achieve your desirable flat belly accordingly. Belly muscles are designed to give balance and coordination for the body's movements. Constant movement keeps it in shape. These days, most people sit all day long at the office, and as a result, their muscles weaken. At this point, they can't support the internal oranges, allowing the abdomen to bulge. The swelling causes people to seek some drastic action. To regain that nice flat belly, they start to exercise. This is where people make the biggest mistake in flattening their stomach. They start to work out very hard on their belly muscles and develop nice firm muscles, but no one can see them. They are all sunken under a layer of fat. People are walking around with nice strong belly muscles that are actually invisible. These people cannot stop complaining about how hard they work every day shaping their muscles, but no visible results are shown. This is their mistake. Their muscles are just fine. The problem is the layer of fat that covers them. The solution is working on both things at the same time. On one hand, work on your belly muscles. In addition, you must reduce your fat percentage. Lowering your fat percentage will eventually give you the effect you were looking for, the six-pack look. It is very important to realize that lowering only belly fat is impossible. You must burn fat by working and developing a higher muscles mass, which will burn more calories even when you rest. Another important aspect is to reduce fattening food consumption. There is an argument regarding how much and how often should one work on his belly muscles. It depends on you, your time, and how quickly you want to start shaping your belly. It is recommended to work once in 2 days for 15 minutes, work real hard the rest the next day. It is possible to work every day on the belly muscles, contrary to other muscles, but it's best to start in this moderate manner and move from there. This is the big secret. Do not expect to find specific exercises. It is not the most important thing. The key to winning your fight for a flat belly is in the combination of a low-fat diet and exercises which will end up in a flat belly. If you wish to learn more about how to low down your belly fat, click the link in the description. So, keep losing and stay healthy. To get more weight loss solution videos like this, hit the like and subscribe button, and leave a comment below to let me know what you'd like to see next. Let's catch you up in the next video. Till then, bye, take care.